Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the Samsung Health icon, looks like this, and tap on it to open the Samsung Health. Now scroll down and find the exercise category, and on it you should see workout button. Tap on the button and here we have the list of workouts we can start. Find the workout you want to start. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on next, start. It's gonna start the countdown, and after it's done the recording will start. And now it's recording our workout. As you can see, the duration, calories burned, heart rate, maximum and average. You can swipe right on the screen to open this menu, and here we can pause the workout, we can resume the workout, we can tap on settings, and here we can change a couple settings like workout screen, guide frequency, audio guide, and I believe if you tap on workout screen you can disable the data screens or enable them. If you swipe left on the workout menu, you will open the music controls menu, and if you have music or if you're playing music on your phone, for example, you can control the music from your phone right here, or you can also listen to music from the watch and control the music right here. You can basically tap on select device, and here you will be able to select phone or watch basically for the playback. And if you want to stop the recording, you can tap on finish right here, and it's gonna stop the recording, and here you have more data about the activity, the workout. And once you're done, you can press the crown or rather home button to go back to watch face. You can also start the workout another way. You can simply wake up the screen, and once you're on the current watch face, the home screen, you can swipe left to scroll through the list of tiles, and one of the tiles should look like this. This is the workout tile, and here you can tap on one of the workouts to start it. Let's agree, it's gonna start like this. You can also tap on more right here to open the whole list of workouts and then start the workout if you want to. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.